everybody. This lesson is based on an almost abstract work by Henri Matisse, which is made out of cut paper. It's called The Snail, and it is absolutely massive. You can sort of see snail-like shapes in there, and it's going to be the basis for what we're doing. What we're doing today is we're using scissors to cut out any bits of paper we have, any bits of coloured paper or recycling, newspaper, cardboard like I've got here, and just cut out random shapes, cut out wavy shapes, cut out different kinds of geometric shapes, cut out angles, and then try and assemble them and see what you can make up. Don't try and concentrate on cutting out shapes that you want to use. Cut out just random shapes that you'll be able to use to make up something else entirely. As you can see, I've decided mine looks a bit like a landscape, so just have fun with it, see what you can do.
We believe in you.
We believe in you.